There's a fire burn the fire brigade. What is going on, guys? We are currently out at Lou's Exhaust today. They're the ones who put the exhaust in my Volvo. Now the only problem, otherwise it's really cool, is I've showed you guys a little bit, I think. Now the dump is just hanging really low, and it's rubbing, and that's not good. So I just brought it down today to have them tuck that up underneath it. Maybe I'll show you when it's in there. I wasn't able to get any videos of them actually welding my exhaust, but I'm out here in Mexico right now, and I'll show you what they did. So, I'm just gonna lay down. There, so the lighting is on, but there she is. I am gonna 150% need to go on, I don't know, Jegs or Summit, and get just like a turn down, exhaust turn down. Because I was coming down the highway doing a little pull, and my floor started smoking. So the exhaust, as you can see, is just melting all of the undercoating. So I'm gonna need to turn down so I don't catch on fire. Yeah. But the Volvo is doing pretty good. You guys saw, has a nice oil pressure gauge in her now. Other than that though, I had put the center console in, I have the e-brake boot on, I have the under plastics on so you can't see any of the wiring. The oil pressure gauge running 30, idling, pretty good, pretty good. I was freaking out last video for no reason, it's hilarious. I didn't realize that was good. And then you drive, it has 60, it's good, so it's fine. So I'm happy. It's running at 197, so nice and, not really cool, but a good temperature, good operating temperature. And I also ran my reverse lockout to a switch. So what's cool about this, it says off right now, no reverse. I was doing, like I said, I was doing a pull on the highway, can't hit reverse, watch. Clutch in, it's like hitting a wall, right? And then you put it to on, which means we can get some reverse action going. And watch, look how much farther it goes. And that's reverse. Going backwards with the e-brake on, nice. So, if you're ever doing for party mode, off is for party mode, taking some pulls, trying to destroy some people who don't suspect the sleepy Volvo wagon, throw her into party mode. And that looks really good. I have my cigarette, I literally have the cigarette lighter in there now, even though like we don't smoke, no one smokes in the car, it just looks cool. It's for the sleeper effect, you know what I'm saying? So I'm really happy with how the Volvo's doing right now. I forgot to show you. I even have the Volvo OBD2 port in the console, which is cool. I don't know where the freaking cover went. It has a plastic cover that goes over it and makes it look nice as OBD, and I lost it. Alright guys, some people are showing up at the spot now, so I'm about to head out, but I just want to catch you up on where the Volvo's at, show you the new nifty things that we got going on, the lockout, the dump, all the wires are nice now. That, the exhaust turn down should be here shortly, so you guys will see it there. Peace!
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.